If your TV suddenly stopped showing regular channels and now only shows Roku, Netflix, or apps, don't worry. This is a very common problem, and it's usually easy to fix. First, pick up your TV remote. Look for a button called Input Source, or sometimes TV/Video. The button is often near the top of the remote. Press the Input button one time slowly. A menu should appear on your TV screen. You may see options like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, Cable AV, or Live TV. Use the arrow buttons on the remote to move through the list. If you normally use cable or Spectrum TV, select the HDMI option connected to your cable box. Many homes use HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. After selecting the correct HDMI option, press OK. Your regular TV channels should now return. If it still does not work, make sure your cable box is turned on. You can also try pressing the Input button again and selecting another HDMI option. This problem happens all the time, so you are definitely not alone. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple technology, help for seniors and families.